Why can't I just be skinny? I need this every day. So good. It reminds me of my childhood. Everything does. Bomba. Skudru puzinj. We're about to go into Old Bakery here in Oldtown in Riga to try Soviet Union desserts. Hi everyone, my name is Ala. I'm a professional French pastry chef, but right now we are here in the oldest bakery town in Riga. We have found this traditional place, and I actually grew up on eating all these buns. I'm going to tell you all about it because there's lots of different flavors. You can see the grandmas are baking here. This is absolutely incredible. I'm going to share with you my Soviet Union desserts. We asked the lady, she said they bake by the traditional recipes. We have everything. If you were born in Soviet Union or you're from ex-SSR countries, you're going to love this video, and obviously I'm going to enjoy it for you. We've got everything. I'm very excited, as you can see. Right, I don't even know where to start. I think the first one I'm going to show you, this is called vatrushka. Vatrushka, it's basically yeast dough with cottage cheese and raisins. A lot of kids used to hate the raisins, and I think I did too, but now I actually love them. I'm going to break this in half because we're going to be trying it all. As much as I can. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if this brings me to my childhood. Oh my God, it's so warm. It's actually warm. Actually does taste like in a childhood. She did say they haven't changed the recipes. So it's got soft warm dough, quite a thin filling of cottage cheese, and very juicy raisins. So I would probably give this one 8 out of 10. I would need a bit more cottage cheese filling, but it was pretty good. Next we have very unusual pastry. It looks like a croissant, but it's not a croissant. It's got cottage cheese filling with marmalade. Marmalade is a candy which is made with fruit and gelatin and berries. Let's cut inside. I'm actually very excited for this one. It should be colorful. Oh, it's orange and yellow. Look at that marmalade. It's like shiny. I wouldn't say there's a lot of cottage cheese, but it's probably more like marmalade, but we're gonna try it. Can you see, yeah? Do you see the inside? Okay, let's try. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the marmalade candy. It's so weird, but it's actually it really works. It's like gelatin candy inside a bun. I would say with a little bit of cottage cheese. Pretty awesome. I'll give this 7 out of 10 just because I need more cottage cheese in here. And maybe more colorful candy. But this is cool. This is fun. Now we're going to try the most traditional bun. It's called špēka pīrādziņš, which is in Latvian basically bacon lard bun. It's also yeast dough with fried onion, garlic, I think, different spices, and bacon filling. Špēka pīrādziņš is my favorite. Christmas, holidays, every single time reminds me of my babushka. Let's cut and show you. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. It's got smoked ham, usually smoked ham or lard. Yeah, wow. This is really good. This is my favorite. Yeah, amazing. Next we have the traditional rhubarb custard bun. Look how gorgeous this is. Like, rhubarb is very traditional in Latvia, and she told us they are the only place here that do rhubarb buns. And I think it's got a bit of like short crust, sort of crunchy bits on top, and rhubarb jam inside. So let's cut this. Oh my gosh, look at that. You can see pieces of rhubarb. I actually grew up eating a lot of rhubarb when I was a kid. My grandma used to pick, the long rhubarb green, and we would dip it into sugar, and that was our dessert. I mean, we didn't have a lot when growing up. Let's try this. Oh my God. Wow. You can really taste the rhubarb. Like, it literally brings me to my, again, I'm getting goosebumps. Goosebumps on my skin. Oh my God, this is literally bringing me back to childhood. Wow. This one's definitely 10 out of 10, just because it's got the sourness from the rhubarb, the crunchy topping, and of course, very soft bun. Next one, we have plum platanitis, which is usually means it's got like a sort of shortcut type of pastry, maybe made with cottage cheese. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's really good. And it's got a plum filling. I'm just gonna show you, look at that. Look how much plum, it's like poking out of there. So I'm very excited. It's very delicate. Let's cut into this. Whoa, let me just show you. Whoa, look at that. Ah, it's falling. It's so delicate. It's supposed to be made with crunchy topping as well. And I'm guessing it's a plum jam, but we're gonna find out. Let's try this. Oh wow. Again, this reminds me of my childhood. My grandma used to make jam like this. Wow. This is really good. Really good. Wow. It's kind of falling apart, but we're here to get messy. So, a very crumbly, very moist, soft, and you can really taste the plum. They actually have the plum pieces. I would give this 7 out of 10, only because it's kind of falling apart a little bit, and I feel it's a little bit too sweet. I think the jam could be sour. Still gonna eat it. So good. Okay, our next one is called Vecriga, which is actually the name of this town. It's called Oldtown. This cake is called Oldtown. It's very traditional and Latvian. Look at that. It's a choux pastry filled with cottage cheese, a whipped cream filling. I'm gonna show you. Let's cut inside. Wow, look at that. That's definitely a lot of filling in there. Let's give this a try. Oh no, that's so good. Wow. That is so traditional, very delicious. I can eat like 10 of these. Okay, I'm gonna give this 9 out of 10. I think the pastry could be a bit softer, but it's still 9 out of 10. Here we are. This is kanelite smaizite, which is cinnamon bun, I would say in English, but it's kind of very different. It's usually also yeast dough, very soft. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, look at all these. They should put a lot of cinnamon. Let's cut into this. Oh, these were my favorites. Oh, look at that. Oh, the dough looks very moist and chewy with a lot of cinnamon. Kanelite maizite. Okay. Oh, wow. Whoa, it really hits you. Very fresh. What I used to like to do is just like, peel off the layers like that. Oh my God. It's really good. Very good. I mean, 10 out of 10. If you like cinnamon, it's definitely very strong cinnamony flavor. Wow. This is some sort of berry, I think it's cherry jam bun. Let's cut into this. It's also made with yeast dough and usually a cherry filling. Oh, look at that. I like the amount of jam there is in there. Oh, it's so oozing out. I'm gonna go for it. Wow. It's like sour cherry filling. But it's in the form of like a jelly. You see it like jiggles a little bit. It definitely has the flavor. The bun is so soft and moist. I mean, it's really good. I'll probably give it 9 out of 10 just because I like more filling. Okay, next we have the custard bun. Let's cut into this. Ooh, look at that. Let's try. This is Latvian type of custard. I'm gonna be the judge. Oh wow. It's got really strong vanilla flavor. It's very sweet, by the way. But I remember eating this as a kid. I mean, the flavor is really nice. I will give it 9 out of 10 again, mainly because it's just very sweet for me. But it's how it used to be made back in the day. Very, very delicious. Wow. So good. Okay, next, look at this incredibly weird, cute looking thing. This is called skudru pudziņš. So technically this is like cookies and caramel, okay? Topped in lots of poppy seed. This again used to be my childhood dessert. This was like a real treat because this back in the day used to be expensive because it was like caramel cookies. And this is like mini ants hill. That's what it is, basically ants hill translated into English. Let's cut into this. Oh wow, it's very soft. Ta-da! Oh, how cool is this? Oh my god. Whoa. This is incredible. They did change the recipe a bit. They added peanuts. But it's so delicious. This is 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Wow. Honestly, I want to eat it all. But I have a few more bits to try. Wow. Okay, I've said this about every single thing, but this is my favorite, childhood. Because, okay, so this has got like whipped meringue cream on top. It's got short crust pastry base, and usually had like a sweet or sour jam inside. My grandma, babushka, always used to make these. This is called groziņš. Groziņš ar obaltam vielu. Okay, let's cut into this. Oh yeah, you see how chewy this is? Oh, it's falling apart. And I was right, look at that jam inside. Can you see? Look how cute this is. So cute. I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth. And basically the trick here is the meringue should be chewy, soft and chewy. This place is incredible. Wow. It's got cranberry jam, brusnica at the bottom. Crispy pastry. This is what I grew up on. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. I don't think I've ever given so much high rating in any place. Here is the cherry korzinочка. This one is also traditional. Usually you can put any type of berries on there. It's made with a little bit of jelly on top, and it should have a vanilla custard cream in the middle and short crust pastry. Oh wow, look at that, exactly. How cute is this again? Oh wow. Ooh. It's nice, juicy, sour cherry. The cream is interesting. It's got like, I think it's like a custard cream with something else. Probably is my least favorite out of everything. I would give this one 5 out of 10. Cream is not my jam. Okay, I left the last till the best. This is called nuts, oрешек, riekstiņi. These are very, very traditional in Latvia. You have to have a special mold to make these, and they're filled with caramel. I'm gonna break one here for you. Come here, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna break one, and you can see it's literally just filled with lots of caramel. And this is caramel, and you boil condensed milk and get this dulce de leche caramel. These are the real ones. Oh my god, it's so good. It's actually really hard to find now. Good ones. Absolute perfection, 10 out of 10. Guys, I am absolutely happy and full. All of this with tea and coffee cost us 17 euros nearly, 16.68. And you can see like all our table left. We're still gonna eat it all. But yeah, this was definitely very, very cheap. I don't think you can find pretty much anywhere in Europe buns or pastries for under €1. Anyway, this was amazing. I definitely recommend this. This is not a paid ad or anything like that. This is generally just a part of my childhood here on a plate that I've experienced for €17, and I'm very full right now. But this was amazing. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments below, and if you've tried any of the things that I showcased you here, let me know as well. And if you ever come to Riga, you have to visit this place. Well, that was delicious. I was actually a little bit worried because I didn't want to ruin my childhood experiences of these delicious things that I ate as a kid. And, you know, my palate has changed. I, eat in all the top French bakeries now. But this was really good. I was worried, but you know what? They literally cooked and baked the same way as they did many, many years ago. So that was a win-win situation for sure.